sister.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you can't say, I'm not your sister. I don't know. I've never seen her before in my life. That's a denial. Okay. Let's have two more. You did great. Two more.
And now I'm beginning. Yes.
No, now we'll change up.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So you two down, and we'll just take a couple more people. You and you. Okay. We're just warming up, and I always warm up with a little bit of improv. Okay. Acting is a no-fail thing. You never fail. This is if I say okay, there's some kind of rule about that. Don't worry, you didn't fail. Okay.
Okay.
It's all success here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
A line of dialogue for her.
You are buying a pizza.
Okay. Now she's given you that
Situation.
yeah, the situation. Let's say you're buying a pizza from her, so that's a situation.
For her.
You're from
You're
her.
from.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think hi.